This is a video on how to register with the AEC. Step 1. Search in your browser sjsu.edu/AEC. Once you see this homepage, navigate to How to Register and click the first link, Registration Process. You should click the first application button in blue. Before you fill out the form, click Sign In at the top left. Then click New Student Application. Sign in with your SJSU ID and password. After signing in, you can begin filling out the form. Once you are done, make sure to hit Submit Application. Once you submit your application, you will need to submit paperwork regarding your disability. Click this link to review paperwork criteria and guidelines. You can also find these guidelines on the homepage under How to Register. Once you have the necessary paperwork, upload it as a PDF and click Choose File. Once you have selected your file, click Upload Documentation. Once uploaded, you should see confirmation that your application has been submitted. Step 2. If you have submitted everything correctly, you will receive a confirmation email with your application code and next steps. To follow up, check your email listed on your application for your status. You will receive an email to either 1. Schedule an intake appointment, or 2. Provide additional documentation. If you received the email to schedule an appointment, click on the online calendar link to schedule a time to meet with one of our counselors. In this meeting, our counselor will review documentation and discuss your accommodations. Once you schedule a time, click the pre-intake link and review the file before your meeting. You should receive a response within 10 working days. If you do not, contact aec-info@sjsu.edu. If you have any questions about the documentation, please read the guidelines. If you have read the guidelines and still have questions, please feel free to contact us. You can visit us in person or reach out by email or phone call. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to stay connected with us on social media for updates.